Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is my voice tutorial. Today learn how to add Owsap-Zap CA certification on Firefox. To add CA certification, you have to open Owsap-Zap. In Owsap-Zap, open tools. In tools, find option. Then search for dynamic SSL certification. Here it is. Click generate. It will generate a free certification. Then yes, and save. After save, you have to open Firefox. In Firefox, go setting and then privacy and security option. In there, scroll down and search for certificate manager. Click import, and here open your save file. Open and click those files. Don't forget to click those two options. If you forget, your certification not work, it will show error after you add CA certification. Then okay. Then reload browser. This is my Zap proxy. I already added. You want to know how to add this Zap proxy in Firefox? You have to wait for my upcoming tutorial. I'll make it. This is Zap proxy. It will connect through the Owsap-Zap proxy and open all details in Owsap-Zap. Show all details on